We got a rainy, windy day. Let's go out and test it. We're in beautiful New England, ocean, wind, perfect testing day. This is about as windy as it gets, 50, 60 mile an hour winds. I don't really recommend taking the umbrella out into this weather, but if need be, you can see we're right here on the ocean. These gotta be 50, 60 mile an hour winds, gusts. My umbrella's still on. Turn your back. Doesn't get much worse than this. We've engineered it to be pretty strong. Amazing. You know, if I had a regular umbrella right now, what would be happening? That thing would be busted, inverted, across the street. But I don't think most people are out in weather like this, so unless you have to and you're working, the umbrella will work for you too.